Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week I want to share with you how to do this scrunchie. I'm going to be making exactly the same like this but with more ruffles. I'm using this cotton yarn, scissors, darning needle is 5mm, scissor darning needle. These are the materials that you need for this project, and most importantly I'm going to be using a head tie. So this head tie is what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to start. I'm going to tie my yarn around the tie. I'm just going to tie it like that. Then I'm going to leave a long tail. I'm going to walk over the tail. So I'm just going to pull through like that and do a chain 1. So now I'm going to do a single crochet stitch around the tie, the head tie, and there is no a specific amount of single crochet, and the reason is until you have single crochet is the stitch wrapped around the tie, so there is no specific numbers for the stitch that you can do. You can do more, depends on how big or how small the hair tie is. So in this case I'm just going to keep doing a single crochet stitch around the tie until it's closed up fully, and I'll be showing you how I achieve that along the way. I have few numbers of stitches now, so I just pull that together to gather them together, pull them so that I can work more single crochet stitch across the tie. We don't want it to be scanty. I mean, the single crochet stitch, we want it to be full. So as we work our single crochet stitch, we just keep pulling it together so we could continue to have more space for the single crochet stitch. And also don't forget to work over the long tail that we left in the beginning. So I've done that already. So I have this little space left, so I'm just going to work like one single crochet more to that stitch, to that space, sorry, and it's time to slip stitch. Find the first stitch where I started with and do a slip stitch. And you can see that the hair tie is really full, so we want to have this full look and we don't want it to look scanty. So now I've done my slip stitch. Moving to the second round, it's going to be chain 3, and the chain 3 does not count as a double crochet. So we go into the next stitch and do 3 double crochet. After we chain 3, we go into the next stitch and do 3 double crochet in every stitch. So we have 3 double crochet now in that stitch. We go into the next stitch to do 3 double crochet. So that is what we're just going to repeat around, and this would give us more ruffles. I'm at the end this round, so you can see how beautiful this ruffles look. I'm going to do a slip stitch on the first chain 3, so find the third chain on the chain 3 that we started with, and I'm going to do a slip stitch there. Now for the third row, another chain 3, that does not count as a single crochet, so I'm just going to be working 1 double crochet into the in between the stitch, not on top of the stitch, so while going in between the stitch, in between. So instead of walking into the stitch, instead of walking into the V shape where we normally walk a stitch, so I'm going to be walking in between the stitch. So to start, I'm going to walk in between there, just right below it. That's the next stitch. I'm going to work 1 double crochet. I'm going to do this into every stitch, 1 double crochet in between the stitch. And this is really simple, and I'm going to meet you at the end of this round. I'm at the end. I'm going to just add 1 more double crochet into the last space there, and I'm going to do a slip stitch into the third chain. Into the chain 3 from the third chain, I'm going to do a slip stitch, and that's the end. We're going to chain 1 and fasten off. So in my hands here with the darning needle. Now for the last step, I'm going to be using another color to end this round, just to tip it around like the blue. So I'm going to be using this hot pink. So I'm going to start with a slip knot. I'm going to do a slip knot and just keep that on top of just right on the hook, and find any stitch. You can find any stitch, or you can just start from where you ended the previous row. Go into any stitch and do a single crochet, like a chain 1. And now I'm going to do 1 single crochet around, working over my yarn, working over that yarn. That will be a single crochet stitch into every stitch around. I'm going to meet you at the end. So now I'm going to be doing my last stitch. I have 2 stitches more to complete, so 1 single crochet into each stitch to end this row, and that will be the end of this tutorial as well. I'm going to find the 4 single crochet that I started with and do a slip stitch there. I'm going to chain 1 and fasten off. And this is the end of the tutorial. I'm going to weave in this ends later. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I hope you love the scrunchie. Leave a comment in the comment section. Do not forget to like and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you and see you in the next one.